Hi guys, Paul.
And Ryan.
We're here at Salt Spring State Park, up past Montrose, Pennsylvania, and we just had some really good donuts over at Donuts and Ammo. Let's just see if we can focus on that. See the donuts and ammo. Ooh. We're chewing on them. We're chewing on them, but we bought 6 of them, and I bought a nice.
There's maple bacon.
Maple bacon. There's Boston cream.
There's cornbread and honey.
Turtles.
It's really good.
Brownies.
Brownie.
And
turtle.
No, that's just turtles. This is
peanut butter cup.
And that's just what, maybe not even a tenth of what they had there. So definitely a lot of different options and stuff. But we're here on this cold day. Let me switch you around really. You can see a little bit of the park. We are you came in that direction and around Silver Creek, and they have campgrounds over here, and as well on that side of the park. Let me go and see if we can get the Donuts and Ammos logo. No, we have to do that. Donuts and Ammos, right there on Route 29, going up. It's actually a little bit north of the park. There's Endless Brewing as well up there. You can hit before you come down to the park to enjoy some locally brewed libations. And we are here as we said we would be, as told us to come to.
Yes, we didn't stay overnight.
No, we didn't stay overnight. It's been a lot of snow happening, making roads not as good as we would hope, and life and bullcrap. People having fun.
To the top.
We're gonna go take a hike, and we're gonna see some stuff, and we'll get back to you. We'll just do a little opening video for our little weekend of fun. We actually went out yesterday and actually filmed some pretty fun stuff in our local area, you know, just to work around the storms a little bit. So now we're up here in northeastern Pennsylvania, and we're gonna have a good time. Yeah, so it's nice to see you, and we'll be back. Cheers. And we're back. We're up here on the Overlook Trail up above the park area, and we're gonna hike down, and we're gonna have a little bit of an adventure and bring you along with us. Cheers. Right, here we go. We're on the search for something special, and we have something with us. Why do we have these? Ryan, can you tell us why we have pennies?
Penny rock.
We're in the search for penny rock, a striatic rock structure that over the course of many years, decades, thousands of years, no, probably not, people have gave a penny back. Included a penny into the structure. And they make a wish and they throw the penny in there, and many ages can enjoy it. So we're on the search for penny rock.
It's not a throw, it's a pound.
It's a pounded in.
To integrate it.
Yes. But this happens to be also on a trail with some icy waterfalls and some beautiful old growth hemlocks. Doesn't look like it right now, but let's have a nice hike and get deep down into it. Pound Town. Penny Pound Town. All right. But it is nowhere near as cold as it was this morning. 19 degrees today. Mm-hmm. With that sun on my back, it feels quite nice.
It does feel nice.
We got our walking sticks. We got our adventure boots. We got our adventure hats. We got our adventure jackets.
There's a donut.
Oh my God. There's a donut.
It's a sign.
It's a sign.
Yep. This weekend has been donut filled.
It has been donut filled weekend. We went to Dalo's in Berwick. Someone came over here, enjoyed a donut, and left a donut.
Just a memorial.
It looks fresh. I could eat it.
It kind of looks fresh.
It looks very fresh. Boston cream, perhaps?
Leave it.
I got hungry all of a sudden.
We have good donuts.
Hey, someone ate my donut. Leave the donut. Crisp day for sure. Crispy day. It's nice to get some more snow in the channel though. I don't think last year we didn't really have any snow on the channel.
Too many snow animals.
No. Little animal came through here. It looks like a fox or something. I don't think that was anybody's pet.
You don't think it was a dog with these feet?
I don't know. Looks more like a fox track, but could be a little dog.
Looks like it's going that way.
Yeah, and the footprints are going this way. I don't know. Maybe it could be a little doggy. There's a little hair go. See the hair tracks?
Yep.
Yep. Little hair is going that way. No, see the fox goes up that way. Comes down from that way, and that's where the hair is. And no footprints go up there. So, yeah. I don't know. Interesting. I don't know. Little tiny baby. There's some old ones too. Older
It's
track.
icy under here.
Yeah. We do, when we came here once a long time ago, it's a lot of water.
When we were last, it was raining very hard.
We didn't even have the channel going then, I don't think. I don't think so at all. So that was a while ago, our first blooming moments.
We might be just walking over puddles and we don't even know.
Yeah, icy puddles. I think I heard someone yell. The Overlook Trail apparently is a blue trail by the marker there. Blue Blaze. That's what they're called. What the Blue Blazes? Okay. Now we're getting more woody. Could have used these adventure walking sticks when we were climbing all over that incinerator yesterday.
Yeah.
This is nothing like it, really, but you see the rock formations here? You can see this right here. I'll show it to you. See how those like shale layers and stuff? That's what we're dealing with here. And that's where the penny rock is built, kind of like that. Ooh, there's a big old bird up there. Flew down that way. Next up on too slow to look.
Too slow to look.
Yeah. There's a big old dog came through here. Big old dog feet.
Yeah. Heck of nails too.
Get your nails trimmed. Now we're starting to get into some of these older, larger trees. One thing that we haven't done yet is go back to Cook Forest and do the Forest Cathedral Trail. We did it. You and I did it, but we didn't do it on the channel yet, you know. There's no channel.
No filmage.
No formaggio.
Oh look. There's the, is it Trillium?
Trillium, yes. It blooms every 15 years.
Not until it's
15 years old. Yeah, it has to be old. We saw purple Trillium when we were up.
I think it was red. Yeah.
Was it red?
Yeah.
We were up in outside of Hillsgrove, Pennsylvania. Ah, yes. Here, give you a little insight. There it is.
Penny Rock.
Along the Hemlock Trail, and then the old growth. Nice.
That's what it looks like when there's not snow on the ground.
Yeah. So when you're into short sleeves, that's what it looks like.
And what?
Short sleeves.
Short sleeves.
Short sleeves.
Slippery and wet or icy.
So
I can verify.
It is slippery. We don't. It was slippery as heck when it was wet. Now look at how dark it's getting. Under these big trees.
Here's the falls.
Mm-hmm. Take a quick break. We're back. Okay. Enjoying Salt Springs State Park. Now that is not, if you guys want to camp here and stuff, look at that nice old growth hemlock. It is much bigger than it appears on the camera. If you guys want to camp here, there is Friends of Salt Springs website you have to go to. It is not a DCNR ran camping system like a lot of the other state parks, so you have to do that. And donations are always appreciated. I absolutely adore these hemlocks. But wait, there's more. There's falling water. There's our friend right there.
Red-headed peckerwood.
The pileated woodpecker. We haven't heard him yet today. Maybe we'll get lucky. And this is, if you can't see the angle, but this, we were coming down here and we're like, whoop, sliding this way because it was so wet.
Actually, the snow is giving it some traction.
Yeah, it gives it better traction actually, yeah. All right, let's go see this. And this is very roped off, and not roped off, but wooden off, fenced off, safe. That, I can see it through the trees. It already looks amazing. Hopefully we can get a good angle. Yeah. I think we're gonna get a view of like over the falls, but I want to see the other side too, hopefully. It's gold. Okay, well, let's see. Carved from rock. Oh, this is Fallbrook Gorge. And here's one of the waterfalls. That tree is right over the well ice. You can hear it, but it's hard to see it through the trees. Icy cold today. Some more Russians down there. back on the aptly named Hemlock Trail. We got a white clays now, but we have a blue one right there. Ooh, I got hit with snow right in the face. Oh, nice size box. Wind's kicking up. Here we are. There she be. See them hammered in there.
Almost easy to miss because they've changed color.
Right. Almost looks like moss and lichen.
We have some in here.
Yeah.
Last visit.
And they're all the way around too. I'm gonna see if we can get one to stay. Oh, that one, yeah. Whoop, stayed. Tampy tamp.
I don't know if I can
They're
get it in there.
It's in. Just hitting stock. Nice.
There you go.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to put my camera down and I'll let Ryan do her thing while I put one in myself. Got my pennies in now too. Maybe not your pennies down here. Let's see what the signage says. Presence of Giants. The Eastern Hemlock. You can always tell them because they have the two little white racing stripes on the bottom of their needles. Move back to Penny Rock. in the snow. Down there is the creek valley. And you can walk here from the bottom too. There's a lower falls trail that comes up this way as well. Woo. Windy and nippy. It's coming at me. Whoa. Good shot on the camera. Awesome. Well, we're gonna keep hiking, and if we see anything cool, we'll let you know. Cheers. Okay guys, we're on the lower section. We're gonna try to do the gorge trail. See how that works. There's a rope there. Guess to help people get through that little section. It is slippy. It is very vertical. It's a hell of a way to start a trail. Might have to slide on our butts down. It probably doesn't look as steep as it is on the camera, but it's steep. Look at that. More rope. Oh, it keeps going. That's good. There's the water down there. Getting closer to the waterfall down there. Be right back. There's a sign that says easier exit, like that way. So we'll have to check it out. Oh, I was gonna say, surprised there's no pennies. There's pennies. There's pennies here as well. Cold. A lot of the rock like this right here. I can hear it, but I can't see it. Water. There's the fellow. There's the other one. Hard to see. Whoop.